Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I wanted to showcase the Dukwin watch winder. This is going to be the watch winder for only one watch. Here is the small booklet that you are going to receive. So we are going to have the owner's manual, and this is going to be the model YS22D. Today's model is going to be the first one, which is going to be this orange. As you can see, very nice color. I really like how it pops. And here you are going to find all the useful information, so how to use the winder. As you can see, we have two switches here on the back right here, and as you can see, we can rotate clockwise, anti-clockwise in both directions. You can also opt for different speeds, and also you have here the exact speeds. I believe there is going to be a table right here where it shows you how many rotations you are going to have, and it is going to work for 12 hours, and then it is going to rest for 12 hours. So let's also have a look at the winder. Something that I really like about this company is the packaging that they have, the quality of their products, especially for the budget. This is going to be a very friendly budget watch winder. So let's start it and rotate clockwise. Here inside I have my vintage 1970s Rolex watch, and as you can see, it started to wind. I can also switch to the second one, and it is going to rotate counterclockwise, and then I can switch back to clockwise. So this depends on the rotation of your rotor. You can unscrew this piece right here in order to have access. I really like how it looks even like this. It really gives me a feeling of a camera that goes underwater, so I really like it. Now let's pause a little so that I can also show you how to take your watch off. And here I have this flexible part right here, and this is going to be really cool, especially for your watches that have bracelets. And as you can see, it is going to extend a lot, so it is going to fit very big watches, and also with very large bracelets. This Rolex is an automatic, and I can use this winder for automatic watches. You can even display maybe even your quartz watch in case that is something that you want. Maybe you only have one watch and you want to use this not from the functional point of view, but from let's say a display, a very beautiful showcase for your special piece. So now I'm going to put it back in. I'm going to put the lid back, and I can start it. The rotor is going to spin, as you can see, and I would say that it's going to be really silent, so you won't be annoyed by the sound. There are going to be some others out there that are really loud, so this is going to be like something very smooth in the background. So guys, if you want to go and grab one of these, you can go and buy it on Amazon. I really like how it looks. It gives a very, maybe a little bit retro, but also modern look, because you have these very nice colors. I really like the orange. I would definitely recommend to opt for the orange, because this one is the most beautiful one in my opinion. Make sure to grab it, guys. I guarantee you are going to love it.